So I've got a nail in my tyre, and just come to my friendly roadside mechanic, and it's a bit rainy today, so I've got my raincoat on, and it's cold. In Vietnam, wintertime, it's raining as well, so it's cold and wet. Anyway, this guy's gonna do the tube repair. They're amazingly quick at doing this. So they pop the tyre out and repair the tube and put it all back together in no time. And you don't need to be able to speak English. He hasn't said a word to me. You just drive up, point at the tyre, they get started on it. And he's got his bucket of water there to look for the leak. They don't even take the tube off the rim and just put the tube in the bucket of water and put some air in it and find the... yeah. Nail. Yeah, so he's found the nail in the tyre. Put it back out. Yeah. Pliers for a hammer. Ah, come on. Okay, that's the culprit. One little nail. Okay. A little bit of air, find the hole. Yeah. Up and up. When your tubes are made, I believe they've actually got a releasing agent on the rubber, and so they're sanding the releasing agent off, so then the glue sticks good, and keying it. Your glue, okay. Finger. Just got to wait for the glue to dry a little bit, can't put it on straight away. Yeah. Job done. Normally they hit that with a bit of a hammer or something. Oh yeah, here we go. Use that hammer. There's the tire. patches and leaking. Yeah. Make sure there's no other leaks. Well done. If you come to North Vietnam in December, you need to remember to bring a really warm jumper, or jacket rather, something with good down in it, because it gets bloody cold here. And it's not just cold, it's windy. It's windy, cold and wet. So last year I didn't have a good one. This year I made sure I wasn't going to be cold, so I bought 4 just in case one of them wasn't very good. Turns out 3 of them weren't very good, but I found 1 out of 4 that built well. Yeah. There we go. So 6 minutes from when I drove up, the tyres back on, and I'll ask him how much this is.
Ở nhà
Không hiểu.
không hiểu.
Bao nhiêu tiền?
20.000.
20.000? Okay, so 20,000 for that. So about, $1 US, or just a bit under $1 US, or in Australian money, $1.30 or something. He's going to adjust my chain for me while he's here. Because my chain's been rattling and loose, so there you go. It's added service. There's nothing in that. And then tighten the adjuster. Okay. This is why doing any service work yourself in Vietnam is really a waste of your time. You don't need to own tools in Vietnam when it only costs $1 to get somebody to fix it for you. Yeah. That. Put some oil on it for me. That's how you adjust the chain up when it's making noise and motorbike sounds like it's rattling itself to death. Come on. Hi, Wanyin. Come on. Thank you. Very good. All right. So literally 10 minutes after it turned up, bike's all back on the road, tire repaired, and we're off to work in the rain.